What is up, guys?
So we are going. So we made the slime. Everyone's upset.
Oh, my
So
hair.
I
we're
made
gonna
slime
do
by
some
putting it in the freezer, or it
We're
could
gonna
like.
do some ASMR, and then in the next video, you are going to see us do like kind of multicolored slime. So we're gonna make 3 batches of little slime, and we're gonna mix them up into a poop store.
And we got cornstarch and mayo.
Yeah, we're gonna.
We might
That's how
make
mine is.
oobleck.
Yeah, and we'll do that in the video. Mine, I added like 3 of them. No,
Why?
Chris, but don't we have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, don't you? I don't even know.
Okay, so yeah. So I'm gonna do mine first, and then we're gonna do Lily's, and then we're gonna do mine. No, and then we're gonna do. Yeah, that's it. So this is mine. Mine
Wow,
is
thanks.
blue. It's still in the video. So get it out. Let's do the video. Okay,
Wow, she doesn't even want me to leave you.
girl, I made you the slime. Don't make
Okay.
me take it away from you. Oh, damn it.
Of course.
Of course, what?
Nothing.
Yeah, don't say anything.
That's the only way you could get this stuff.
Okay, so this is
I'm
slime.
wearing her shirt.
Yeah, it's this is a cornstarch slime. It's kind of like a sticky slime.
Oh my
but
God.
It's super nice.
You saw that bubble?
Oh my god, I thought I was gonna have my shirt on my girl. Look at that. Okay, so I added like 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I make like a what is like I don't know, like a cake batter consistency. It's like really nice. So we're gonna just get started. So here I'm gonna proof so, and then we're gonna get onto the ASMR. Okay. You just we're gonna do this again. No, Lily. It's disgusting, bro. So we're gonna go on to Lily's. We're gonna wait till Lily's back. So it's your turn, Lily.
Hi.
So let me just,
I'll just get this chair. I'm her cousin. Just so you know.
That's how you know. We did this in the first vlog. Okay.
So this is my slime. It's
Guys, just stop talking and just do the ASMR. That's what they're only here for.
okay.
Okay, now.
Don't bother.
Okay. So
So-
these are our shirts. Also, mine is blue and hers is pink. Purpley pink.
Okay, that's okay.
Like a purple pink kind of.
Like this color, kind of.
No, not barely.
Like this color, but darker.
Yeah, like
But
it's like
purpler?
purple here. Yeah, it looks in the camera that's purple, but it's like pinky purple. So hopefully you like this video, subscribe to the channel to become a member of our slime squad. Yeah. So and we're also gonna make little batches of slime. But actually, I'm not gonna tell you. You're gonna have to look at the other videos. So yeah. Peace.